welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell by the title, I have a BeautyBay mystery box unboxing video today for you all. So I am not long in from work and this has just arrived today. This cost me £30 and supposedly this is worth a value. I believe it is £80 or £90. I'll put it on screen. But I love a mystery bag and I do know one of the products in here. I do know the palette that we've got in here, which I am very excited about, and I thought it would be quite cool to buy this, unbox this and see what's in it and discuss if it's good value or not. So this is what it looks like. But off of first impressions, I already really like this bag that it comes in. We will open it and see. So this is what it looks like. We have what looks to be like quite a good range of products. So I'm going to take all of the products out and then just go through them at no particular order. I'll probably start with the palette because I know what palette it is that we're getting. So in total we have 8 products, 9 if you want to include the bag. I am going to start with the palette, the 16 colour palette in the palette version Rich. This is by BeautyBay, so BeautyBay own brand, which is cruelty free. I knew the palette that we were getting in this mystery bag, which is what swayed me to picking this mystery bag. There are different versions, but I like this palette best, so that is why I picked this version. This is what the palette looks like, warm toned neutrals. This is definitely a palette that I would pick and be very much geared towards because of my green eyes, so I like these really rich warm tone colours. I feel like they suit my green eyes really well. I will also put on the screen the products as I'm showing you them and talking about them so we can find out the price for them. So again, you can work out and decide if you think this is good value or not. So that's the first product we got. The second product we have got is liquid cream blush. Okay, so it is in this really pretty colour, which is in the shade Peaches. Looks like this. That does look quite peachy. Okay, it feels quite like soft and foamy, but that's what it looks like swatched. And then I'll do a swatch here and blend it in. Once I blend it in, it looks like that colour. So it is quite peachy, but I don't think that's actually an unwearable colour. I also think that might be a really nice lip colour. I mean, I'm wearing a peachy blush today. It's probably worn off because I have had this blush on since this morning, but I have just got a little bit of blush on. That's all I have on right now. So I do think that's quite nice. Again, I wouldn't gravitate towards a peachy blush, but I will wear that. I will use that. I think because I'm so pale, pink blushes I tend to prefer on me over peachy blushes. Then the third product we've got is a hydrating lip tint. I have never tried any of the products by BeautyBay's own brand, so this is also a very much new experience. Again, cruelty free and vegan. All of these products are, I believe, cruelty free. I'm not sure if everything's vegan, but I know everything is cruelty free, which is really important to me. This is in the colour Slippers. It doesn't say or show anywhere on it what kind of tint it is, so I'm not too sure. Okay, that looks quite pigmented, so that's what it looks like. And then quite a nudie sort of colour. Again, this is described as a lip tint, but that's actually really pigmented. I do not own any lip tints that are in this kind of colour. Blend that in. I quite like that colour. I think that colour would be quite nice for every day. That was our third product. Fourth product we've got is hair oil Nourish and Fibre Repair. This is a hyaluronic acid and castor oil. This is vegan, cruelty free, targeted ingredients, and apparently it is made in the UK. Can be used as an overnight treatment or in addition to a hair mask. So I will probably put this on my hair when my hair is damp and use it as a kind of post shampoo, post hair mask sort of treatment. That is what I do with my hair oil. I am currently using this as a post hair wash hair oil, which is the hair syrup one, and I really like this, so I will just use a little bit of that, let my hair air dry, and then I'll put in like my curling kind of leave-in products. Always am a fan of hair oil because I have curly and wavy hair, so hair oils are always super. This is what it looks like. I'm interested to see what applicator it has. Okay, so it just has that kind of a applicator. That was the fourth product. Fifth product is this, which is the caffeine and peptides eye treatment. It helps improve dark circles, hyperpigmentation, reduces signs of tiredness and fatigue. Looks like that. Excited to give this a go. Like it, we'll use it, happy with that. Then the second from last product we've got is this, which is a powder highlighter. This is in the shade Glaze. Packaging looks like that, and then the actual highlighter looks like that. Wow, that is really pretty. That is stunning. So I will swatch that. That's what it looks like on my finger. And then if you can see, it's swatched right there. That is what it looks like right there. So I thought we had one more product. Apologies, we have two more products because I've just seen the other product that was hiding underneath the palette. So we have two more products. So this is the second from last, and this is the chamomile and oat cleansing balm. Looks like this. We'll open the box but not the actual packaging, just because I'm currently using a cleansing balm. I love cleansing balms. I think they are the best and most effective way to remove your makeup, so I will never say no to a cleansing balm. This is what it looks like. This is 90 mils, 3.4 fluid ounces. Really like that, really happy about that. Love a cleansing balm. I think that's fabulous. I think it's fabulous to get a cleansing balm. Also really like the fact that we've got the cleansing balm with the makeup product, so you could, in theory, buy this bag and you would have your makeup, but you would also have part of your skincare to be able to remove that makeup, so I really like that. Then the final product we have is the High Key Volume Mascara. I think this is just a, yeah, it is just an ultra black mascara. Not going to open it because again, half mascara is currently on the go, but that's what it looks like, and that was the last product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly run through the products and then share my overall thoughts. The first product that we got was a product I knew we were getting, which is the eyeshadow palette with all of those lovely warm tone browns in there. I think this is fabulous. The lip tint in the shade Slippers looks like that, and then swatched and blended in looks like that. Kind of nudie colour, a really nice, I would say, everyday lip tint, surprisingly pigmented for being a lip tint. Again, that's how pigmented we're talking, and it's not scented. That was the second product we got. Third product was the BeautyBay liquid blush in the shade Peaches. Looks like that. Swatched right there, blended in right there. Fourth product that we got was the hair oil, the castor oil and hyaluronic acid hair oil product, looking like that. Next product we got is the 4.8 caffeine and peptide eye treatment. We then got the by BeautyBay chamomile and oat cleansing balm. Looks like that. Love this. Then the second and last product we've got was the BeautyBay highlighter in the shade Glaze. Packaging looks like that. Product looking like that, with my lovely swatch right in there, and then swatched is right here on my hand right there. I don't know how well the camera will pick that up, but it is swatched there. I might have to swatch it again. So I've swatched it again right there. Yeah, you can see that one far better, so that's what the highlighter looks like swatched. And then the last product we've got is the High Key mascara. Looks like that. Not opening it because I currently have mascara on the go. So they were all of the products that we got in this mystery box. I am really impressed. I think this is really brilliant, and I love the bag that we get. I think the bag is really cool and a really handy bag to have. My overall thoughts, I really like this box. I am going to do the maths and I'm going to put on screen how much that makes each product. I'm also going to hopefully have put on screen how much each of these products cost, so you can kind of see the value and decide if this is something you're interested in. I really like this. I think this is brilliant. I think we've got an amazing range of products. We pretty much have a whole eye makeup in there and a makeup remover, which is a cleansing balm, which I love. And there is not one product in there that I am disappointed about, and especially for the price I paid of £30, I think this is brilliant. I really like this, so I would highly recommend. I probably wouldn't buy any other versions of it, only because I really like this version and I really like this palette. So this particular bag and this particular variation I feel like is perfect for me. When I compare this to, let's say, a P. Louise budget box, because they're that same price, I think this is better than some of the P. Louise budget boxes I have had. I think this would make a brilliant gift. You could also, if there are products in here that you didn't want, you could also give them to somebody if you knew that they like those products. But overall, going to use all of those products in here. This is really good. I would highly recommend this. So let me know if you've bought the by BeautyBay mystery bag. Again, my version was the second variation and I'm really impressed with it. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've bought this, if you've bought a different variation. I will speak to you all in my next video. So until then, goodbye guys.